Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can disable memories in Facebook Messenger app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching, and also make sure to put your likes. So friends, let's get into this topic. And I'm going to show you from the very beginning how you can find the memories section in your Messenger. If you, let's say, you don't want to see your old photos that are stored in the memories section of the Facebook Messenger app, you can easily disable this feature. To do so, open the Facebook Messenger app. Next, friends, you will need to click on the three bars here at the top, on the left side. After that, go to the gear to go to Settings. In the Settings, scroll down a little bit, and you'll find an option called Memories. Click on it. And here you'll find a feature that allows you to turn off memories. Just click on this button right here. That's how you turn them off. If at some point you do want to go back and re-enable your Messenger memories, just follow the same steps. And after your reminiscence, just click on this button to activate it. Friends, this is the simple and quick method you'll be able to disable your reminiscences in Facebook Messenger app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.